everyone, I'm Christine. I work here at Revive Furniture and Home Decor. Among many other things that I do here at the store, one of the things I do is I design the artwork that goes into making our custom signs and that we make right here in the shop. So I wanted to show you guys how we make those here today. So I'm here in the back and we've got our CNC router machine back here. There's the controller box thing. It's kind of hard to shoot this for myself, but I'm going to show you guys how we make one of our signs, and we'll do a little video of the router actually doing a cutout, and then we'll take a look at the finished product. guess it's kind of hard to get a good view of it here. Let's, whoa, don't fall. Here we go. So that's pretty neat, isn't it? So we make, this is an example that we're going to use to make custom signs for people to, you know, do as gifts or just, you know, something for your house or that sort of thing. We also are making a series of various signs that people might be interested in. This back here, we have big plans for the future. Big plans for the future, you guys. These are all, wow, I'm messing the camera up. There we go. So these boards behind me, this great big pile, you wanna focus? Thanks. This great big pile of boards behind me is future signs. So we're planning on making a lot of these signs for you guys. We have custom ones that we can do for you if you order them here in the shop. We have standard ones for sale on the sales floor. We're even selling them online now. So you can order these signs that we make here in Derry, New Hampshire, all over the world. We also hand paint them here. So I think I'll just go out into the shop and we'll show you guys some finished painted ones. So behind me we've got a wall full of the finished products here. They're all painted. We've got some different colors. We've got all different sizes, everything from little guys like that all the way to big guys that we've got down here, 48 inches long. We've got vertical ones, we've got horizontal ones. So make sure you stop by the store and see these for yourself. They're beautiful, and we also sell them online. So thank you everybody for watching, and I hope you liked it, and we hope to see you here in the store. Bye.